Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam and in this 90th video of PTC Creo Parametric. And if you want to follow our complete course from starting, then please do check out the playlist link that I have already added in the description of this video. Now let's talk about today's topic, which is style. We will be continuing with this style tool. And then in style, we're going to talk about this circle, how we can create circle inside style tool in Creo Parametric. So as you can see here, we are already in PTC Creo Parametric style environment, and all we need to do is we need to go to curve and then click on circle. Now here we have option to define the size of radius. So let's say I want a circle of radius 100. I can do that. And then again, you're gonna get these two options, which is free curve and planar curve. And as the name suggests, free curve is free, while planar curve have a constraint that it can be only on a plane. But in this particular scenario, when we choose circle, I would say even though you select this option, which is free curve, actually it also reside on a plane. But the benefit that you're gonna get in case of free curve, as you know, when we manipulate, it is not restricted to 2D plane. So if I do it like this, and probably if I see it from other direction, oh, still it looks like that still the curve is in a 2D. So let me actually go here in point and let me give it a value. Let me give this point a y value of, let's say, 5. And now you will see that the curve is in 3D. So let me make it 50 actually, so that we can easily see it. And there we go. So here we can see this curve is in 3D. Now let's talk about the planar type circle. Again, let me go here in curve and then select circle. This time I'm gonna go with planar one. And now I'm gonna put another circle here and let's click OK. Let me put circle here, and then if you go here in the references, you can even create this circle at certain offset. For example, let's go with 100 mm offset, and now here you will see there is another plane being created by taking a reference of active plane. Now this newly created plane is a reference plane, not the previous one. And then obviously, since this is a planar curve, so whatever reference curve that we have taken, so this profile will be always touching that 2D plane and cannot go into 3D. Now in this way, guys, we have seen how easy it is to create circle as well as planar circle inside style tool. And I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any question related to this topic, please feel free to ask me in comment down below, and let's catch each other in one such video related to engineering. And that's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such content related to engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.